Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 14, leçon K, and in this lesson we'll see together les participes passés invariables. So I've been thinking about this thing and then, well, we've been covering the participe passé already a long time ago, and we've been seeing that we need them if we want to structure or to compose or to make composed tenses. And then in many situations, when we put the pronoun at a certain place, we've got to put at the end of this participe passé whether the feminine or then the plural. But then there is a list of participe passé that will actually never change for a good reason. It's whether they are coming from verb intransitif or then they are coming from what we call verb transitif indirect, and clearly that will give us this list of participe passé invariable. So it does mean that they will never actually be affected by this feminine thing that you've got to put at the end or then the plural thing that you've got to put at the end. They will stay the same. Okay, so of course the list was a bit longer than what I've been selecting, but then, well, I've been selecting the most used verbs that normally students at this level should know or should use. Okay, so that's the reason why the list is quite long, but not as long as it could be. All right, so let's start now with the first one. So what I will do, I will read each time first the participe passé here, okay, and then after that I will read the infinitive form. Okay, so let's start now. Abouti, aboutir. Aboyer, aboyer. Accéder, accéder. Agi, agir. Appartenu, appartenir. Atterri, atterrir. Bailler, bailler. Bavarder, bavarder. Bondi, bondir. Briller, briller. Capituler, capituler. Circuler, circuler. Consister, consister. Contribuer, contribuer. Correspondu, correspondre. Déjeuner, déjeuner. Déplu, déplaire. Dîner, dîner. Divorcer, divorcer. Dormi, dormir. Durer, durer. Éternuer, éternuer. Été, être. Évoluer, évoluer. Exister, exister. Failli, faillir. Fallu, falloir. Fonctionner, fonctionner. Hésiter, hésiter. Insister, insister. Oops, sorry. Mistake here. It should be ER, okay? Lutter, lutter. Marcher, marcher. Menti, mentir. Naviguer, naviguer. Neiger, neiger. Participer, participer. Patienter, patienter. Persister, persister. Plus, plaire. Plus, pleuvoir. Just 1 second to remind you, and we saw that previously, that these two verbs, plaire and pleuvoir, share the same participe passé. Okay, so it's not a mistake in that case, they just have the same participe passé. procéder, procéder, profiter, profiter, réagir, réagir, régner, régner, résider, résider, résister, résister, ressembler, ressembler, rire, rire, séjourner, séjourner, sembler, sembler, souper, souper, souris, sourire, stationner, stationner, succéder, succéder, suffit, suffire, surgit, surgir, survécu, survivre, sympathiser, sympathiser, tarder, tarder, trembler, trembler, tricher, tricher, triompher, triompher, voyager, voyager. And this is it for the list of participe passé invariable. If you want more videos, then youtube.com/imagier is waiting for you. If you want to like me on Facebook, then it's right here. And then the website is waiting for you if you want to find more material. Have a great day. Bye bye.